Good afternoon, my name is Mike Jenner and I'm the head mechanic at Planet X. I'm here this afternoon to show you how to assemble your brand new bike when it arrives to you fresh from the factory at Planet X. This is the box that will be coming through your door. Inside the box, the bike looks something like this. I shall now take the bike out of the box and show you its semi-assembled state. As you can see, it is pretty much ready to ride, except for the fact the handlebars are turned and twisted down to allow us to pack the bike accurately. The next step is to actually start reassembling your bike so you can ride it. First thing to do is grab a 4mm Allen key, and what we'll then do is undo the 4 stem bolts. This allows you to twist the handlebars to the required angle, and also undoing the 2 stem bolts will allow you to twist the handlebars straight, like so. After positioning your handlebars, you're then required to do up your 4 stem bolts. This is done with even tension. The recommended tension is around about 5 Newton meters. This is obviously recommended on our website. The other thing you will notice is that I'm doing the stem bolts in a diagonal pattern. Again, this allows for even tension. The next thing we need to do is set your headset. Your headset is known as an A headset. This means it uses pressure to adjust it. To adjust your headset, do the following. 1. Make sure that the stem bolts are loose. 2. Slightly undo the top cap. 3. Lightly bounce the front of the bike. This allows the bearings to sit themselves square. Then adjust your stem so it is in a direct line with your top tube, and adjust the top cap just until you feel a little bit of tension. To check that the headset is not loose, pull the front brake on like so, and gently rock the bike backwards and forwards to make sure there's no play in the bearings. Once you're happy with this, do up the stem bolts to the required tension. This torque is around about 8 Newton meters. To adjust your saddle height, you take a 4mm Allen key, undo the clamp bolt like so, and either move the saddle up or down to the required height. To do it back up, just turn your Allen key like so. Torque on this is around about 8 Newton meters. Just to make sure, check on our website. The final thing you're required to do to your bike is obviously to fit the pedals. Generally, pedals are left and right. It might sound obvious, however lots of people do get this wrong. The right hand pedal has a right hand thread. This means that you turn it clockwise to do it up into the crank. You can either use a 15mm pedal spanner or a 6 or 8mm Allen key, depending on the type of pedal. The left hand pedal has a left hand thread, which means you do it up anti-clockwise into the crank arm, again using a 15mm pedal spanner, a 6mm or an 8mm Allen key.